everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. Inside this bag, by the way, best like reusable bag ever. This is called a Shupato, and I've posted videos about it before, but literally it folds up like so, and then you roll it up. I actually brought this to Louis Vuitton when I went to pick up my bag that I'm about to unbox with you guys, and they were like, would you like a another bag so it doesn't say this? And I was like, oh no, I have this is fine. And they were like, whoa, what is that? Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I have come home with two bags today. One is from Louis Vuitton, one is from Hermes. I'm going to do two separate videos just because I think two separate brands and I want to give its flowers to this bag. I actually purchased this a month ago. I pre-ordered it. I really didn't need to. I think they're like available, but I really liked this collection. If you guys have been following me for a while, maybe you don't know, I'm a huge denim lover. I love anything to do with denim, and the fascination and obsession truly is something that has rubbed off on me because of Alex. If you guys watch my videos, then you would know who Alex is, but she's like a denim lover, and then I really got into denim. Anyways, they have the nautical collection. The nautical collection re-released a lot of denim purses, and specifically the green and the pink Louis Vuitton denim came back. So I had to get myself a piece of something, okay? Had to get myself a piece of something. My essay was not there today, so that's really funny. Ooh, they gave me a scent. This is Amber Levant. To be honest, I love Louis Vuitton perfumes. I really should invest in one. Oh, this is I don't know what this smells like. Let's spray it in this bag. Yeah, that's okay. I really like Louis Vuitton scents. I specifically like Imagination, Meteor. There's another scent I really like. Anyways, they're really good. I will contemplate buying one because I've been using the samples that my essay has given me, and they're really good. I also love that you can engrave a name on the perfume bottle, so I will be purchasing that for a friend's birthday in the near future. And I meant to actually ask them for samples so I can give them to the friend and they can wear it and then figure out what scent they like. I was yapping so much with Luna, who is the essay there that was helping me because my essay was not in today and I could only make it in today to like get the bag. So I was yapping to her so much about Japan that I forgot to talk to her about it. But anyways, this is the purchase I got, okay? This is her. She is so cute. And in the old box or the new box that they have now. Here we go. Undoing the ribbon in all its glory. Oh. How does this work? Hello? Okay. Oh wow, they put tissue now? That's so different. They didn't used to put tissue on there. To reveal, I checked this bag before they packed it though. Ta-da! This is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Valley denim in fuchsia. Where's the strap? Oh, it's in here. I got so scared. I was like, where is the strap? This is the strap that it comes with. Freaking cute. And you can actually unsnap this. Oh my God. I love her. And then wear it this way. How freaking cute is that? How freaking cute. So mine was made in France. And it is just an open bag, okay? It's one huge ass open bag, open hole, no pockets on the inside, and then it has this denim liner on the inside. I love her. She's so freaking cute. She's so mini. She's gonna be perfect for summer. So yeah, that's what I ended up purchasing. I love that this snaps, and then you can also wear it like so. Wow, this would be a great bag for my niblet, which is literally who it's gonna go to. Like, I can wear it like this. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love her. She's so freaking cute. I'm so excited. So I did pre-order this, but I think they're still available. Like, I see them on the Louis Vuitton app. This was $2,770 with tax. It was $3,130.10. But I figured I'd pre-order it just so I got it. I also wanted the Pochette cargo, but I figured this would be more useful. The Pochette cargo is a little bit smaller. This is a little bit bigger and will fit a little bit more than that. But yeah, really stinking cute. So this is the bag I got. Okay, keep in mind the strap is probably like, I don't know when I bought it, maybe 2018 or something like that. So keep in mind, not even 2018. I think I bought this in like 2016. I bought this when I was very, very young. So keep in mind that the patina is patina. Like, it's not going to be the same color. But if I did want to wear it as a crossbody strap bag, like a crossbody bag, I could use a strap and it totally becomes a crossbody bag. How cute. Sorry, I have pajama bottoms on. How stinking cute. So I love that. It's just a small little guy. I like the pink. I like the denim. It's very expensive for a denim bag. I recognize that. That's really outrageous for a denim bag, but it's very unique. I feel like you guys can see that I'm starting to get more fun pieces, especially with Louis Vuitton. I really like having a fun piece by them. And this pink bag, I don't have anything like it. It is so cool. Very nice for a collector. Although I wouldn't say I'm a collector. I'm just like a girl who likes fashion. So yeah, I'm very excited about this. I'm excited because they also came out with a sunset, and the sunset definitely needs like protective hardware stuff to come out. So I really hope Havre Deluxe, whatever it's called, the hardware protection from the UK. I hope they come out with one for the sunset, because that buckle of mine is getting really messed up. But yeah, that is my purse. I'm very excited about it. It has Louis Vuitton imprinted here as well. The strap is so itty bitty. It comes with this really beautiful gold hardware, large zipper. Very nice. I'm going to be able to put a little trinket on the side. Maybe I will make a bag insert for this. Maybe not, because it's so itty bitty, but freaking cute. I love it. Anyways, if you are interested to see what I got at Hermes, it will be the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram _HelloHarley. Follow me on TikTok at HelloHarley. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.